Namaskar. At Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University, diversity is not just recognized but it is celebrated as our strength. In alignment with the vision of inclusive and equitable education under Prime Minister Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, we are proud to host the second 3-day national workshop on confluence of cultural diversity, sensitivity, and inclusive campus practices from 16 to 18 February 2026. This workshop will bring together academicians, administrators, researchers, and students from across India to share ideas, experiences, and best practices for building inclusive campuses. Inspired by the philosophy of Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj, we are committed to creating academic spaces where diversity inspires a dialogue and inclusion becomes our identity.
Under the dynamic leadership of our Chief Patron, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Manali Shirsagar and Co-Patron Dr. Raju Huse, this significant academic and culture initiative is thoughtfully designed to create a meaningful engagement and deeper understanding among students about the rich cultural knowledge and heritage of India. This workshop will feature 8 activities, which vibrant range of activities, which includes insightful panel discussions with eminent experts, a curated photo exhibitions which reflecting India's diverse tradition, engaging quiz and poster competitions that encourage creative exploration of cultural theme, and oral presentations where students will share their ideas, research, and reflection on diversity and inclusivity. A special cultural program, that is Ekatvam, will celebrate the spirit of unity in diversity through artistic expression, reinforcing the values of harmony, sensitivity, and collective belongings. For this workshop, we have invited Shri Vinayak Garg, Divisional Railway Manager, Nagpur Division. Also, we have invited Dr. Nandini Bhattacharya, Archaeological Survey of India, New Delhi, and Dr. Sudhir Jhakre, Director, Postal Services, Nagpur Division, Nagpur.
Through interactive sessions, collaborative discussions, and experiential learning, our students will gain deeper understanding about India's rich cultural diversity, cultural plurality, cultivate empathy, and build the skills required to create a respectful society. The outcomes of this initiative will extend beyond the workshop, empowering learners to become socially responsible citizens, cultural ambassadors, and future leaders who uphold harmony, equity, and mutual respect for all. Rooted in the timeless values of Indian cultural integrity and continuously working to blend tradition with progressive educational vision, Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University remains committed to nurturing unity in diversity and promoting inclusive experience. We warmly invite you to be a part of this meaningful journey of learning, reflection, and national integration at the AK Dorle Sabhagraha on 16th of February 2026 at 11 a.m. Thank you so much.